Today, we're diving into satellite imagery. We'll look at 12 free tools that let you see the world from above. Let's get into it. Google Earth is a free tool for high-resolution satellite imagery and 3D exploration. You can tilt views, see building heights, and analyze landscapes. The historical imagery slider lets you view changes over time. Street View integration allows ground-level verification. Google Earth Pro is free and essential for OSINT. Sentinel Hub gives you access to up-to-date satellite imagery from the Copernicus Sentinel satellites. Its EO browser tool lets you easily search for recent images of any location. You can filter images by date and cloud cover for the clearest results. Sentinel Hub is great for change detection and multispectral analysis. For example, you can generate NDVI indexes to monitor vegetation health. Zoom Earth is a real-time dashboard for up-to-date satellite imagery, updating every 10 to 15 minutes. It pulls data from geostationary satellites like GOES and Himawari. Features include storm and wildfire tracking with overlays for wind, pressure, and fire zones. It aggregates thermal hotspot data from NASA and NOAA. Zoom Earth is ideal for monitoring breaking news and natural disasters in real time. USGS Earth Explorer is the U.S. Geological Survey's main portal for accessing satellite imagery. It's one of the largest archives of Earth observation data, including the complete Landsat archive. You can search and download raw satellite data, including individual spectral bands, for scientific analysis. The interface is dated and can be complex, but the depth of data is unmatched. You'll need GIS software like QGIS to process the downloads and perform advanced analysis. Earth Explorer is essential for anyone needing original, scientific-grade satellite imagery. NASA Worldview is a free tool for exploring near real-time satellite data. Browse and layer over 900 types of NASA satellite imagery, like sea surface temperature, air quality, and nighttime lights. Overlay multiple layers to analyze environmental events in real time. Data updates within hours of satellite overpass. Create time-lapse animations or export GIFs and videos easily. Number 6 is OpenStreetMap, or OSM. OSM is a free, crowdsourced world map built by volunteers. It offers detailed data, especially in areas commercial maps miss. OSM often includes rural paths, infrastructure, and building types. You can search for specific tags, like military buildings or cell towers. OSM is updated frequently and tracks changes over time. Mapillary is a community-driven platform for street-level imagery, often with more recent and extensive coverage than Google Street View. Anyone can contribute photos, creating a constantly updated database. Mapillary often covers places Google hasn't reached. Imagery is frequently updated, sometimes only days old. This helps verify satellite imagery with current ground-level photos. Mapillary uses computer vision to tag objects in images. It recognizes features like traffic signs and utility poles, making them searchable. You can filter the map to find specific objects. Mapillary is a powerful tool for OSINT and satellite imagery verification. Wikimapia is a web-based map that lets users draw polygons around places and add descriptions, tags, and comments. It acts as a collaborative annotation layer on top of satellite imagery. Over the years, users have outlined and labeled everything from apartment buildings to military sites. The user-generated tags and descriptions can help identify locations not marked on other maps. If you find an interesting facility on satellite imagery, check Wikimapia to see if it's been tagged or described. Local users may have already identified it, saving you time. The comments section can also provide extra context or links to relevant information. The interface is dated and information quality varies, but Wikimapia remains a valuable resource for satellite imagery research. TerraServer is a specialized tool focused on high-resolution historical aerial and satellite imagery, mainly for the United States. It offers a deep archive, including USGS aerial photographs and commercial satellite images, some dating back decades. TerraServer provides free access to much of its archive, though images may have watermarks. It's ideal for building visual timelines of U.S. locations and filling gaps not covered by other platforms like Google Earth. You can pinpoint changes or construction dates by stepping through year-by-year imagery. TerraServer is especially useful for research, legal, and environmental work requiring historical U.S. imagery. If you need detailed U.S. aerial history, TerraServer is a must-have resource. Sentinel Playground is a simple, user-friendly web tool for exploring high-resolution Sentinel-2 satellite imagery. Made by the creators of Sentinel Hub, it lets you browse and visualize satellite data quickly without needing an account or technical skills. Just pan around the map and the latest imagery loads automatically. Use the calendar to view historical data for any location. A drop-down menu offers preset spectral visualizations like true color, NDVI for vegetation, moisture index, and SWIR for minerals. Instantly switch between views to analyze different features of the landscape. It's ideal for students, journalists, or anyone needing quick access to recent or historical satellite images. Sentinel Playground is perfect for rapid reconnaissance and easy satellite imagery exploration. GeoGuessr is an online game that drops you into a random location in Google Street View and challenges you to guess your location on a map. While not a satellite imagery tool, it's excellent for training geolocation skills. You analyze clues like language, road signs, architecture, and landscape to make your guess. The closer your guess, the more points you earn. These skills are directly useful for OSINT and satellite imagery analysis. GeoGuessr helps you connect ground-level clues to what you might see in satellite images. It's a practical and engaging way to sharpen your geolocation abilities. Number 12 is Flash Earth. Flash Earth is a simple tool for quickly comparing satellite imagery from different providers. You can instantly switch between sources like Google Maps, Bing Maps, NASA, and OpenStreetMap. This makes it easy to check for clearer or more recent images of the same location. It's especially useful for verifying details and cross-checking information. If one provider's imagery is outdated or blurred, you can quickly see if another has better data. Flash Earth is lightweight, fast, and focused on comparison. Use it to cross-check locations you find elsewhere and ensure you have the best available satellite view. So there you have it. 12 incredibly powerful and completely free satellite and mapping tools. We've gone from the foundational 3D views of Google Earth and the real-time tracking of Zoom Earth to the deep historical archives of the USGS and the scientific power of Sentinel Hub. We've seen how crowdsourced platforms like OpenStreetMap and Mapillary add essential ground-level detail, and how utilities like GeoGuessr and Flash Earth help us sharpen our skills and verify our findings. Each of these tools offers a unique window onto our world. These platforms are not just for hackers or spies. They are fundamental to modern journalism, enabling reporters to verify events in conflict zones. They are critical for scientific research, tracking climate change and its impact on our planet. They are essential for disaster monitoring, guiding first responders, and saving lives. The open access data they provide empowers individuals and organizations to understand and respond to the world around them in ways that were unimaginable just a generation ago. It democratizes a view that was once exclusive. But as we said at the beginning, this power demands responsibility. The potential for misuse is real, and the importance of ethical, lawful application cannot be overstated. Always be mindful of privacy and the legal frameworks of the regions you are observing. The goal of OSINT is to uncover truth and create understanding from public data, not to cause harm or infringe on rights. These tools can be used for incredible good, but it all comes down to the person using them. Open data can empower or harm depending on intent. Stay curious, responsible, and informed.